what's up and welcome back to Toyota Fanatics. So we're actually going to skip the whole intro today and we're just going to jump right into what's going on. Yep, these are the new wheels. I totally went with polished, you guys, and I couldn't be happier. I knew I was going to go with polished. I mean, I was entertaining the thought of doing the black, but you know how it goes. So yesterday the wheels came in the mail. FedEx dropped them off and we went and had them mounted, balanced, and they sat in the backyard last night. But here they are, and they actually look huge when they're off the truck. They don't look so huge when they're on the truck, but they're pretty big. And it wouldn't be a normal Toyota project if we didn't run into a problem. All right, not a huge problem, but these are the center caps that came with them. These, they are gross. Looks like something you'd see on an old man's Dodge truck or something. So I thought ahead and I ordered these. These are like a 4.25 inch classic center cap, and they're actually short. Usually they're longer. These are short ones, and of course will not fit over here snug, and there's not enough room, so we're just gonna have to leave these exposed for right now. These are the Toyota automatic locking hubs, and I'd love to switch these things out. I've read and I've heard and I've seen on other videos that it is a breeze to switch these things out to the manual lockers. I would love to do that. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do that. So that's all it is. Super bummed I can't have any center caps on the front today, but as you guys can see, we got the center caps on the back. So we got 1, 2, 3, and it's time to throw that last one on. But I figured before we, or should I say, this is a rare opportunity that since I have the wheels and tires off the truck, I don't know if you guys can see, but these things are filthy. So I got a little sponge and some soap. I'm gonna clean the back of this thing up real quick, and then we'll throw it on. All right, so it is official, the wheel and tire project. Well, I guess it's just a wheel project, even though the tires were involved a ton. It is a wrap on this one. I am loving that lip on there. Love the polished look. I'm gonna have to stay on top of keeping these wheels looking good, because these things can deteriorate quick on you if you're not careful. But man, I love this look. Like I mentioned before, this is kind of what I grew up on, so it means so much to me. As you guys are probably fully aware of, right back here we got the last wheel and tire project, my 22 by 12s with 35 12.5s, these hostile H113s, rages. These things are bad, but you got to absolutely be a stressed out wreck everywhere you go, making sure you don't curb them on anything. All right, that's not true. I'm pretty good at it. But either way, these wheels and tires are a handful right here. I've pulled them off the truck before. They weigh as much as a small car. These things were really easy to toss on this truck. I'm a little bummed that the center cap didn't work out in the front, but we're gonna find something cool. Like I told you guys, I'm gonna convert it to a manual hub or find some sort of cool center cap option. I don't know exactly what, but man, that looks kind of cool for right now. You can tell that got some four-wheel drive stuff right there, so that's okay. But oh, I love them. Love them. So it was actually a pretty easy mod. The wheels were pretty cheap. Got them on eBay. Went to a local tire shop yesterday. The guy was super cool. He just jumped on them immediately. Isn't that just the coolest thing in the world when you go to a shop and you just want to do something immediately and they just jump right on it? That is so rare. When that happens to me, I definitely appreciate it. This truck is filthy right now. So there is no doubt about it. We have got to wash this thing up, and then let's go take the truck somewhere and get a better look at the wheels and tires. So there it is, guys, 15 by 10s. I think I told you guys it's like a negative 47 offset. I didn't really know much about offsets a few years ago, but now I get it, and I like a good solid negative offset, that's for sure. Even with the fender flares, they still stick out a little bit. I'm super happy. Super happy. I just they definitely weigh a little more. I could feel it a little bit when I was driving here, but absolutely nothing, especially after driving with the 22s on the Tundra. This thing's like featherweight. It was absolutely sunny, beautiful day not that long ago, and as you can see, it is going away. That is the ocean down there, and we got a super loud air conditioner or something over there. But yeah, the sun is out on one side, but this town that I'm in right now is called Aptos, and people actually call it Fog Toss because it is just Fog City out here. It's nice we got any sun at all today. And the wheels and tires look great. I'm gonna have to figure out something with the center cap. I told you guys before that the little cap on there is a little bit too shallow and was just making some contact. I was thinking, I don't know why I didn't just hammer it out a little bit in the middle. That could either go really good or really bad, but I didn't even mess with it. I just put them on. But like I said, manual hubs I heard are the easiest thing to switch out for these things, and it uses any manual hub from 84 to 95 Toyota truck and 4Runner. So those things are everywhere. So we'll definitely have to do that. But that's it. There it is. Truck looks great, looks more proportional. All right, but that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video, you guys. I know it doesn't seem like it, but it was actually a long 2 days getting these wheels, getting them mounted and balanced, getting them put on the truck, getting them cleaned up, getting here, but it was definitely well worth it. Anytime I get some mods done, I've told you guys, is a great day. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm out.